And then finally, display rules do work with iTwin references and IFC models. Here's an IFC model screenshot of it referenced in, and I just did a quick display rule on columns that are rectangular. And over on the left, you're seeing from the item browser the IFC categories that are referenced in here. Now we're going to attach a iTwin from the Collaborate tab. So this was a Revit model that was published to the cloud without having Revit. So that's a capability that will give you the link that's on YouTube to show you how to set up a connected project and be able to have that Revit file that you could then attach as a reference for coordination. So that's back and forth between referencing into OpenBuildings. It doesn't ask what version it is, amazingly. It just brings it in when it publishes it through the bridge. And so going into back to our display styles, again, making a copy just to do a quick review of an iTwin from Revit coming in. And then it's just going to be creating a quick rule. And again, these can be saved to the file that I'm in, or they can be shared in a DGN library, which what we recommend. But if you're just doing this on your own, you could just be doing this on the fly if you want to be looking at something really quick. So I'm going into create for stairs. I want to be looking at the stairs and going in from the properties. You'll see the data that you're going to be able to sort through. It's going to take a second because I left up a rendered view, which probably wasn't a good practice when you're looking at a bunch of data from the model. But if I scroll down to stairs, and then you'll see the properties of stairs, and I don't know anything about this model. It said actual risers, and I'm just going to wing it and say, okay, stairs that have less or more than 6 risers on it. I just want to look at them. I don't want a couple stairs or steps. And I want to change the symbology so it's purple. And again, I want to do another condition. If it's everything else, I want it to be gray and halftone. It's kind of just like a good practice just to put things in relation to each other of what you're really looking at and have that ability to turn on and off. And then also with transparency. And then again, make sure that you've linked or pointing to the style to the rule. And then when we go over to the pick list, from the pick list, we have our iTwin reference for the display style, and refresh that. And you'll see the stairs showing up. And now you have a better idea of where they are. Since I didn't know anything about this project, I could go in and then me turning things off. You could add to the rule too on the fly. You can go in and start, of course, you probably want the slabs to make sure everything is coordinated properly, but you could be doing it, real time as you're in working, and just turn on the hide button. So that's the on and off switch, and then you do a refresh, and then that's how quick and easy it is to review models with display rules.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.